Where's the key? Yeah,
hold this one. Got it. Cookie. There you go.
No. Where at?
Right here.
These are the exact moments when cops saves people from horrifying situations, starting with a case where an officer responded to a burning house with 2 young kids trapped inside.
Where at?
Right here.
Are they asleep?
No, I pulled them out of the room. Boys!
It's nailed? Come on now, guys. Come on. Come on. How many more? Are you sure?
I'm positive.
Okay. Only 2 kids, right? You okay, guys? You okay? I bumped your head. Look at me. You bumped your head. You okay? You okay, buddy? You okay?
Thank you.
You okay? Maverick?
Officer heroically managed to safely extract both kids from the burning house just minutes before it would have been engulfed in flames. His swift action undoubtedly saved their lives. The situation intensified in the next case as an officer and a good Samaritan fearlessly tried to extract a driver from a burning truck.
Come on! Come on!
We're getting you out. Get his other arm.
Away from the intensifying flames, the officer and the Good Samaritan braved the burning vehicle to extract the driver, pulling off a remarkable rescue. But what officers found in the next case was truly jaw-dropping. When officers responded to a 911 call made by the neighbors, alarmed by the woman's loud screams for help,
Put the door down? Yeah. I got a bunch of loose. That was hot. Look at that boy. Which window she kick out?
the officers quickly realized that the entire floor was blocked by the suspect, and upon spotting the open window, they decided to take a chance. To climb into the house,
Where you see a ladder at?
I got a ladder there. The ladder was on the side.
Is anybody else in there?
One for you, like, all free clear. You guys start for now?
He did what? Is he Hispanic? Where's the key?
I know he's got it on his feet. And he's got it on
There's no coming up as I-264.
But there's no one else in here, right?
No, you can
There we go.
Thank you so much.
the suspect forced his victim to remove some of her clothing and threatened her with killing and sexual harassment. Following their successful rescue, the entire police department worked tirelessly to pursue the case. Their dedication paid off when the suspect was apprehended. Later, the individual was identified as 36-year-old Moises May. On January 30, 2017, the officers were in pursuit of the suspect, who had forcefully abducted his ex-girlfriend from her apartment.
Passenger! There is a passenger! There is a passenger!
Open the door, getting outside. Turn the other way, turn around, turn around. Walk backwards to the side of my boy. Going.
Hey,
Keep coming.
keep them up! Keep them coming back! Keep them coming back! There's a passenger! There's a passenger, 48! Go ahead, go ahead. Hands up! Hands up, passenger! Get on the ground, passenger! All the way! Yeah, I got passenger, I got passenger. Hey, watch your crossfire!
Yeah,
Put a camera on this thing.
got a camera. Do you need a...
Oh my god, thank you.
Okay.
Got it? Rolling?
Hey, it's rolling.
Okay,
Okay, we're gonna get you out of here, okay? We're gonna get you out of here.
Do you need me to say anything about what happened or anything?
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
Just hold on for now, okay?
Just hold on,
We're gonna
okay?
get some pictures and we're gonna get you out, okay, man?
Sarge, I'm gonna take some pictures. We have the evidence. She's tight, chained down by the neck.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay?
Yeah, make sure we get photographs of it.
Yeah, that's what I want to do. I don't want to. And she understands what I'm gonna do.
Okay.
So she's cool with it.
Okay, no, let's
Okay,
do
Yes,
what we
let's
need.
back him up. Let's go
Please
inside.
lock them up.
Just calm down. Calm down.
Dude, I don't know. There's another one out there somewhere. Okay, got it.
Take pictures of all this before we get the
Like
chains
the
up.
fucking weird.
I got pictures of her and I got pictures of the chains.
Don't there's all the weird stuff there. I wasn't shit. What the fuck?
Come on.
Okay, go
You
ahead.
come this way. Come, hold on to it. Hold on to it. You're okay.
Got another hand, okay?
Got it? Just hold on. Hold on, we got you. Yeah, you check them, no?
He had me earlier and I got him to take them off.
You got the cuff key for it? It looks like those are
Got
just
one
standard
here.
cuffs.
Okay, hold this one.
Got it. Coffee. Here, you got one.
Did you find me? Did you guys find me?
Okay, hold on. Give me time.
Oh my god. I was in Las Vegas. He broke into my Las Vegas apartment and stole me from my home.
Las Vegas, New Mexico,
Nevada.
Nevada.
He fucking hauled ass.
Do you know the guy?
Yeah,
Who's the
he's my
ex-boyfriend?
ex-boyfriend. How did you know?
They called us and told us.
Who did?
I was up at the office trying to run him, see if we had anything on him.
Oh my god. He dragged me out of the place and I fought so fucking hard because I was like, this is how you die. And I think a neighbor saw me getting dragged out. He choked me out like 6 times because I kept fighting so hard.
Okay, did you lose consciousness when he was choking you?
Yes, like 6. He choked me out 6 times.
Okay.
We have an ambulance on the way to check you out, okay?